How to enable developer mode on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can enable developer mode on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your device. Now under settings, scroll down and head towards the about phone option. Once you're under about phone, find the build number. So to find your build number, head over to the version. Once you're here, at the top is your build number. So you have to tap on the build number quickly and type as long as you see the developer option turn on. If your device is locked, you will be prompted to enter your PIN or pattern. Enter that, and once you have done that, you will get a message saying you are now a developer. Now, to access your developer option, you could go back and under settings, scroll down and head towards system. Under system, there is developer option. Tap on it to open it up. Now the developer option is turned on. That's it. That's how you can enable developer option on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.